Chapo. Chapo, chapo. So, this is how I do it. So, I scoop from here. And top it up in the liter. There's a lot of liter there. Then I'm going to take the whole liter. I'm going to take the whole liter off. I need to distract them whilst I do that. So if I bring them over here, I'll be able to distract them. So I wanted to distract them so I can clean it. As you can see, I've removed the litter box there and they are fully engaged, enjoying their fresh grass, May and Bell. So at least I'll get the time to clean it. So all I'm doing is I'm scooping everything from here. I'm scooping it into all of it comes into this one here, into one of their pellets. Plastic, can't do it with one hand, so bear with me. So we've had a room refresh. We got a dryer bedding, and they are enjoying their fresh hay. I'm about to open this pair. I think they're gonna jump out and go and enjoy some of these. Hello, girls. Step back. Hello, girls. Hello, girls. Hello, girls. Hello, girls. You gonna come down? Let's look at their inside setup again. Here is like their dry area. This is what we talk about. Rabbits are very intelligent. They have their dry area, and then they have their sort of lavatory area here. They know this litter box is there for them, and they use this sometimes to also ease themselves. But from here on is their dry area. So how intelligent is that? You tell me. Toilet area, living area. And they did it by themselves. If they have the space, this is how they will behave themselves. So whilst we are off camera, this is what I've done. I've scooped all their lavatory area, and as you can see, it's got some water marks. That's their wee-wee marks here up to here, and that's the mapping of where they wee-wee and do most of their poo. And this is what it is. So this is like wet matter, if you like. I know there's some water here, but that's water because they spill their water in there, so I know that's water. So what I'm gonna do is I've got this collector. This is pure organic manure, so I'm gonna try to market it. So all of these things goes in there, especially for gardeners. So there we have them, they've come on top. Well, I'm gonna get rid of them in a minute. They're gonna go into their room to make way for the boys to come out. It's 5 boys that will come out after. Hello, Chapo. 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 Chapo, Chapo, Chapo. Chapo. Chapo, Chapo. Chapo, Chapo, Chapo. Chapo, Chapo, Chapo. Chapo, Chapo, Chapo. Chapo, Chapo, Chapo. Chapo. Are you getting? So it's the same here for Chapo. I'm going to change the water entirely. So water goes straight in the garden. So this Chapo is very clean as well. So what you see here is dry poop mixed with the wood shaving and the bedding. But here is where Chapo does his business. So you can see here, pure organic manure, mixture of poop and wee. He does only, he wees here only. He doesn't wee anywhere else. So all the rest of the room, everything you're seeing is dry. And again, this signifies how clean rabbits are. What you see there, the whites you see there, is because rabbits, the bucks, which is the male rabbits, they spray when they are hormonal. They will spray their wee, and that's what you see there. The white stuff you see there is their wee when they are in a hormonal way. It's pretty easy. Just take these and dunk it here. It goes in there. So Chapo gets fresh grass here and he loves it. But like, Chapo is quite fussy, so he's gonna do some smelling and smearing himself even on the grass. He's very keen on marking his territory, and this is how he does it. He will smell, maybe he's smelling. The rabbits are quite good with their nose. Their sense of smell is fantastic, and therefore he's picking up any kind of smell, trying to pick up any smell. He's gonna do that for some time before he will start eating. This is just the way he's like. Then he's gonna put his own smell. They've got like a smell gland underneath their chin, so he will try to smear it on everything before he eats it. I don't know if it's a ritual for Chapo, especially Chapo. Chapo does this all the time. It's very fussy. Very beautiful Rex. Hello, naughty boy. Hello, Tank. Tank is getting so big. He's huge. And that's probably his winter coat. Is making him look so huge. So Tank setup. Tank is a bit messy, so he does most of the business here, but also does it everywhere else. So this, and then at the other corner here as well, I know he does it. He does that because he's just naughty. You get naughty boys, right? So I need to find a way of making sure they don't mess up too much of this hay. He will spread it back. Thank you, boy. Thank you, boy. So I'm gonna clean it the same way. I'm just gonna empty these wee. Underneath is a lot of wee, and that's the beauty of the wood shaving and the bed, and it sucks for the wee, and that is why it's very good organic manure. Hello. Off camera, I've just cleaned Beverly's room as well. That's her room. She's got a full pellet. Her babies are there. And she's got some fresh grass as well, fresh water. Happy mummy. So the last aspect is to feed these guys some pellets, and that will be it for me and them today. 1 pellet each. Pellet, come eat with your sister. They love this pellet. I'll make a video about this pellet in the very near future, because I think it's working magic. Thank you very much for sticking around. Rabbito, Farmino. Happy New Year in advance. Probably we'll have one quick video tomorrow to catch up before the new year. But thank you, and a prosperous new year and a happy one. Thank you, Rabbito Farmino.